hurts to lose you, and that pressure drop feeling. Just trying water each day. There's a way to feel better, feel well sad to weather the storm, still the sun shines again. When your compass is spinning and you're lost on the way, like a leaf in the wind, friend. Hear me when I say, bubbles up, they will point you towards home. No matter how deep or how far we go, they will show you the surface, the plot and purpose. So when the journey gets long, just know that you